So HVNI technology has been shown to be as effective as BiPAP in reducing CO2 in the blood gas. When I first learned about HVNI technology, it was from a respiratory therapist who'd been a respiratory therapist for a very long time. I had a huge amount of respect for him. And he came to me because I had a patient who was sick with asthma. And he said, Rebecca, why don't we try this? And it worked great. And so he actually taught me about it. And he would come up to us and remind us in the emergency department, because I think part of the thing about having been a doctor for a long time is, you know, that they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but you can. So when I was introduced to this and saw how effective it was, I still didn't think about it every time, but my respiratory therapist would say, hey, I think this patient would benefit from HVNI technology. Oh, that's a great idea. And I put the patient on it and they got better. I will tell you, one of the things that I was surprised about is how easy the machine is to work, because I'm not an intensivist. I don't know how to use a ventilator. I mean, I did when I was a resident, when it was pressure. All you did was pressure. The HVNI technology is so simple. I mean, you see your flow, you see your FiO2, and it's just such a simple system.